A controversial figure known for his strong alignment with the ZANU-PF, self-styled pastor and party apologist Obadiah Musindo has publicly defended President Emmerson Mnangagwa's inner circle, including those labeled Vice President Constantine Chiwenga as Chigananda. Salabina Mashuko Buda Pangwena Chukonze Levu Musindo attacks VP Chiwenga to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina Namuda Jukwamchizi Musindo dismissed the critics of these figures as jealousy of successful people. He urged Zimbabweans to respect those whom God has blessed. There is nothing wrong with success. Those you call Jugananda are blessed people who are using their wisdom to prosper. We must not demonize them because of envy. His comments drew sharp criticism from citizens who accused him of glorifying corruption and shielding politically connected business allies. One Chennai resident who attended the event responded, "How can a pastor defend looting and call it a blessing? People are hungry because of these so-called blessed businessmen. If these men are truly patriotic, let them show us their tax records and how many jobs they've created without government handouts." Musindo's remarks come amid mounting public anger over corruption and inequality. Civil society groups condemned the cleric's words as dangerously tone deaf. According to one activist with the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Forum, religious leaders should be standing with the poor, not with the looters. To call those accused of corruption visionaries is to normalize theft. Musindo has a history of serious allegations that have drawn into question his moral authority. He was charged in 2006 with the 5 counts of raping his 22-year-old domestic servant. After accusations that he had assaulted her multiple times and threatened her if she reported him, a magistrate ruled there was a prima facie case against him. More recent reports allege he has looked up vulnerable girls in a Harare hotel and used political connections to intimidate them from reporting. Despite these serious accusations, Musindo has continued to appear at state-linked events and publicly supporting ZANU-PF, raising concerns that politically connected figures remain accountable to little more than the party line. Critics say that when a pastor known to face such allegations tend to defending elites, it symbolically erodes the moral standing of the church and weakens the country's ethics. Roma Shukari Pomres Babumoze Mafunguro Enyi Mori Kudipa Msorpe these attacks Arabuna Gauna Vivi Kosano Chunga Pinago Mesakishe Medu Zafunguro Enyi. So subscribe or like catch it on the bell icon.